Hello. In this video, I will review the Perfect Trendline Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. As the name suggests, this indicator helps us better identify market trends. This indicator consists of two lines that indicate a profitable trend when the red line is above the green line and marks the candles with green histograms, and when the red line is below the green line.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
It indicates a bearish trend, marking the candles with red histograms. During a trend change, if it shifts from bearish to bullish, it sends a green signal. And if it shifts from bullish to bearish, it sends a red signal. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first time frame option that we can choose is the multi-timeframe indicator. This means that when the chart is in the time frame, for example, M15, we can enter the number 60 in this indicator here, which is the same time frame as H1. And here, we have this dynamic trend related to the time frame of the Iceberg, that the higher the time frames we use, the more likely the signals it generates are to be successful, and the less risk they carry. The next option is the moving average period, which uses two moving averages. One is a slow or count moving average with a longer period, and one is a fast one with a shorter period. We can specify these. Here the slot display table moves these lines up or down based on the high value that exists in the close price, which we can enter in points here. In a way, it can be said that it is a tolerance that is acceptable to us for the close of these candles to be higher or lower than this line. We can set a tolerance level that is acceptable for us to change the trend. And we can enter this tolerance for both the S2 mode and the fast mode. We can also input this tolerance for the point here, which is set to 0 by default. Now let's see the live indicator test on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's see the live test and this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section so you can help improve the indicators.